Introducing the original scraper cone, proudly made in the USA with quality in mind. The scraper cone features a precise, sharp, cutting-edge bottom to efficiently cut and scrape ice from the glass of your car. The edge is not intended to be used on non-glass parts of your vehicle. The plastic used for the scraper cone is durable and will last years, but soft enough to mold to the windshield of your car. The 18-inch circumference makes the scraper cone the most effective scraper on the market. It quickly removes ice and snow from your vehicle's glass in all directions. The scraper cone is designed with comfort in mind. The ribbed inserts for your thumb and its round and lightweight design add to the scraper cone's unique engineering. The twist and lock cap stays securely in place, but can be taken off to allow the scraper cone to act as a funnel for windshield wiper fluid or other fluids in case of an emergency. The cap's sharp points can score thick ice to allow the bottom edges to lay flush on the glass to scrape the remaining snow and ice. The scraper cone is the perfect solution for windshield snow and ice removal. Spend less time out in the cold. Order the original scraper cone today, available in 8 vibrant colors.